Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's we are diving deep into the world of Google Dorking, a powerful technique to uncovering hidden information on the web. Whether you are a cybersecurity enthusiast, a curious researcher, and just someone looking to learn something new, you are in the right place. I will be your guide through the fascinating world of Google Dorking. So grab your notepads because we are about unveil some hidden secrets together. Before we jump into the practical example, let's start by understanding what Google Dorking is. Google Dorking is a search technique that uses advanced search operators to find sensitive and confidential information on the internet. It's not a hacking but rather a way to make a Google search more precious. Now that we have a basic idea, let's move on to the fun part, the practical examples. Imagine finding unprotected webcam on the internet. Creepy, right? Well, let me show you how easy it can. Introduce Google search operator in URL and in title. Demonstrate a Google search query. This is the search query. Find unprotected webcam is a in URL view slash html in title live view access. Okay, it's a crucial to use the knowledge responsibly and ethically. Always remember the accessing someone's webcam without permission is illegal. Ever wondered how to find confidential documents accidentally left open to the public? Let's take a look. Introduce Google search operator file type and site. File type PDF, site example.com, confidential. To find the exposed PDF documents, always respect privacy and adhere to ethical guidelines when using a Google Dorking. Open directories are like a treasure cheats of files. Let me show you how you locate them. Introduce Google search operator in title and parent directory. Okay, to find open directories. Now that you have seen this example, here are some tips and best practices when using Google Dorking. So I show you one most usable website for a Google Dorking and Google searches. Here is the website exploit DB database, Google hacking database. Here are the some Google Docs used by author. Here are the author in URL UUX SPX finding in 28/7/2023. Here are the all the Google Docs are using the find used for finding vulnerabilities in websites and used to find a user's password. So some Google Dorking tips: always prioritize ethical and legal use. Avoid accessing sensitive data, personal information without permission. Don't attempt to hack or exploit vulnerabilities you find. Use Google Dorking responsibly for research and education. Okay, so there you have it, folks. You have just embarked on a journey into the world of Google Dorking. Remember, great power comes a great responsibility. Use this knowledge wisely, ethically, and responsibly. Encourage viewers to subscribe, like, and share the video for much tech insights. Thank you for joining me today on my channel. If you have any question or wants to see more contents like this, please let me know in the comment below. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, stay secure.